Before I go out on my road trips this summer, I want to make sure that the settings I have for both the frames per second and the audio source are the best that I can get on this GoPro Hero 13. So right now I thought I'd go out and do three separate rides this morning, and I'll post each one of those videos, part 1, part 2, part 3, and really would appreciate any viewer comments about which one they think looks best. They won't know whether it's the 20 frames per second or the 30 frames per second or the 60 frames per second. You won't know if the audio source is going to be the GoPro Media Mod with the built-in microphones, or going to be the Movo lavalier wired mic to my GoPro Media Mod, or the last one I'm going to have in there, it would be the DJI Mic Mini connected through Bluetooth through my GoPro Hero 13. So right now I'm doing this first little segment. I'll make them short videos because I'm sure it won't take too long for a person to know this one is the best as far as video, and maybe they'll pick another one and say that's the best for audio. Right now I have the windshield all the way up, going 45 miles an hour, so let me lower the windshield all the way. That's all the way down. I have the face visor up. Being 83 degrees right now, it's I don't want to have my face visor all the way down, just too warm. Here it is. You're lucky I'm not going to sing to you, so it's just going to be as far as just the vocal sound of my voice. So I do this quick ride this morning. Right now I should be heading almost directly west from Firestone, Colorado, and heading to the mountains here in Colorado. I don't know if the GoPro can pick up the snow on top of the mountains. Hopefully it can. Okay, this is 50 miles an hour with the windshield all the way down, my face shield all the way up. Okay, windshield all the way up. 50 miles an hour. Okay, come to a stop. Four-way stop, and want to make sure that they know that I got there at the time that I did. Alright, should be heading directly south right now. See, good old on Android Auto. I think I'll pull into the school here and change to another setting for the frames per second, and hook up a different microphone. We'll see how that sounds. So that is the end of video 1.